Hello and welcome to the first day of Christmas giveaway. Now there's going to be one of these giveaways for the next 12 days. This just happens to be the first one video released on the 23rd of December. So if you're already a subscriber, make sure you have the bell notification icon selected. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, then do make sure you are. Details of how to enter the draw for today's prize will be at the end of the video. Now I have been very lucky and get lots of technology in here to play with, and there are some vendors that I really enjoy working with, and a number of those and also stuff from my own prize pile here are going to go to make up a prize for every single one of these days for the 12 days of Christmas. So that means there'll be one video every day until the 3rd of January 2020, and then when all the videos are complete I will do the draw about the 8th or 9th of January and put the results on the channel. But this is a really fun thing to be able to do, to kind of work with some of these top vendors and get some prizes out to you, my viewers and subscribers. So the first prize to kick us off, it has been generously donated by Sonic Model, and this is for an AR wing kit. Now those of you that follow along with the channel will know that the AR wing build has been one of my favourites. I put Ardu Pilot inside mine with a Maytech flight controller and it has been fabulous. So if you'd like to get the wings so that you can get all the electronics together and build yours, then all you have to do to be involved in this draw is to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. And again, I'll do the draws in early January next year when all of these are up. So do stay tuned for the other giveaways. There'll be another one tomorrow for the second day of Christmas. Thanks for watching the video and watching right to the very end. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you like the video and like what I'm doing here, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon too. If you really like what I'm doing, you can go the extra mile and become one of my Patreons for access to me directly for support and also giveaways and regular updates too. If you're looking for particular content, then check out the playlist. I organise all of my videos into playlists, so if you're looking for a particular topic, you can find everything here. If it's called Introduction To, it's designed to start very simply and build on that simple introduction to teach you all about it. If it's called For Beginners, then that is really aimed at people who are brand new to that part of the hobby. You can also search on YouTube for anything that you're interested in using the search function at the top. So iNav Painless 360 will find all of my videos and even the playlist around iNav. So thanks again for watching and happy flying.